How you collaborate with stakeholders ends up making a really big difference. I'm going to run through some tactics that you can use to bring your stakeholders on board. The first is evangelize user research. Dispel the notion that you're the graphic design syrup on the top of the product stack. Point out that you're actually going to save time and rework for developers by helping as early as possible with research, design, validation. Make sure everyone knows how deep user experience design needs need to be and how you can accomplish them. Explain UX concepts, terms, and capabilities by having UX practitioners openly discuss their skills and their typical methods and outcomes. And then next is collaboration. Make time and space for it. Schedule regular UX office hours and design clinics. Keep the chat channel open with your team so you can really listen and share information. Invite everyone, regardless of their role, to use you as a resource for insights and solutions. Create an actual physical space for team members to interact with you and information. And then there's a big education piece. You have to start to educate everyone about the benefits of participation in user research. Teach upper management about the benefits of stakeholder participation. Find a champion who can encourage other people with their own participation stories. And then we have alignment. Align your research goals with your stakeholder goals. Run strategy meetings with stakeholders to understand their goals and establish the best ways to measure your success. And then set a design vision that aligns with them before development even begins, so everyone has a good understanding of what it means to be usable. Later on, towards the end of a project, even give credit back to those stakeholders. They'll be more likely to help projects in the future. The next point is around proving. Demonstrate utility with small pilot projects. Start small and easy and track the success. Schedule key UX activities such as site visit, testing, participatory workshops when stakeholders are actually available, and plan time in the development cycle for them. Personally go and invite each person and emphasize why they should be there. And then we have to think approachably. Create approachable deliverables that reflect our audience's interests and actual technical understanding. Share user research, process, and prototypes widely and in person if you can. Share data insights as soon as you have them, using a lightweight system like bulleted lists and screenshots in some kind of shared document. Annotate those higher fidelity prototypes and designs right there rather than something separate. And then useful. We have to make what we create useful for other people. Create design patterns that we can reuse, maybe living style guides for issues that recur. And then we have a point about visibility. Increase the visibility for user research and design artifacts, such as personas that actually change others' insights, a customer journey map that everyone can align behind. Post these artifacts on walls in public locations so remote team members can actually contribute. In conclusion, we're really doing 3 things. First, we are involving our stakeholders early and often. You want to load them on your train before we take off for our destination. Second, we're going to speak their language. What terms and technology and language do they use that makes sense? And we're going to align our insights to them. Third, we're going to develop empathy for them. What does it mean to be successful? What makes them tick? Doing these things ensures that our work actually sees the light of day.